Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back again to my channel. Look at myself here. It is hot here inside. No fun here on my sitting area. Actually guys, I'm going to show you guys what I do today. Very difficult. My hands getting numb, pulling and holding. Here guys, because I'm here inside my sewing area, so I will sew, and I'm very funny here because look at my feet. They're showing my feet guys. Agay, ouch, ayaw langga. That is little puppy guys, very cute. I'm going to show you the puppy. That's little puppy. There's one there. Wait, very cute. So just forget about this guys. I wanna show you what I did here inside the room. Look guys. I saw the empty bags. This is 4 bags guys. Bags, empty bags. And from the animals food. Ayaw lang ka, don't show me. Then this is 4 bags. Then both bags just already finished sewing. So you can see this one here. I will show you later. Oh, here on. There I saw it. Then now the last one is the big one. The four bags. I join it to become one. So why I saw this one guys is because I wanna use this one for in the pig house to cover for shade to the pig. So I need to work this one fast. Okay. Very difficult guys, very hard. Because I saw I'm standing here. I did not sit on the stool because very hard. It's so hard the bag. So there you can see me here. So I am holding up front and back because it won't will just stick. So I need to guide it. Who's there? Oh, yun na lang. Wow, they're almost at the end. fish. And it's my tarp. Let's go out and see how wide this one is. Let's go out, guys. I need to get now the bags. That's very wide, guys. I think that's 8 by 8. That's 8 by 8, guys. So now let's go to the big house. That's the one I'm going to change, guys, because it's so hot now and keeps on raining here. I don't want to get sick, my little one here. So I need to tore up that one all. Then I'll just use a tie wire. Then hang here each other below. That's so easy to do. So I'll be back later, guys. Okay, guys, now it's time for me to tore up the ugly one hanging there, guys. Lando, he did not show up today, and I don't know pa, might be Papa. He's down below to the field weeding. So I don't want to wait to the guys because it might rain again. Last night we have a rain. I'm not sure how huge the rain, but when I woke up, all the ground here are wet. So I need to fix the tore up tarp here. So you just watch me, guys. Guys. Much better. Wow. I think it is better than before, guys. Let's get closer. Yes, much better than before, guys. So nice and neat. Why I use this kind of bag, because it is durable bags. So now the pig here can breathe, so they can inhale the fresh air. So it is wide now, you can see everything here. Hello, hi. So guys, they are big now, guys. Look at them. They are already 1 month. Last 25. Today is 28. February 28. And look at them, guys. Holy moly, Rocky. I always add here a dead of leaves, so when they shed pee, it will cover it. And then this is our compost made from. So every day not every day, every 3 days I dump a bag of dead leaves here. You know, when I fed them a while ago, one of the pig hair come out. They can jump here, guys. That's high. I think that's 2.5 feet. They can jump. So that is why I don't want them to chase a lot, because if they go out my gulay, what should I do here? Very good size now. And they are still 1 month old from weaning. So success, my little project. I think Philip's there in the garden digging, because you know, if it will rain, then Philip he gonna go busy in the garden, digging, weeding, like that. So that is why I don't want them to ask a favor here to help me, because I can do it. This is very easy job. But the very hard thing is when I saw that one. So hard, because both my hands are numb. So hard to hold. Now it's success. So I did not stretch this one, so the water will just will flow directly. It won't stuck to the middle, because I know once the water will stuck in the middle, it will break. So I'll just leave it this way, loose a little bit in the middle. So guys, you see, this is my life here in the farm. It's not easy really, guys. It's not easy in the farm. So there is some thinking that I enjoy I enjoy here, but it's not really relaxing. So because every day we work here, I am the one who take good care of all the pigs. Just like this, fixing the tarp. So life really is not easy. So there are some thinking that my life is easy. No, not easy life. All you have to do is to struggle and work on it. So at the end of the day, you will be the one to you will be success. And see, so that's good for today, guys. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.